Hello everyone, with our new super compact Bluetooth receiver, you're perfectly equipped for the next road trip. Simply plug the Bluetooth receiver into the aux connection of your car and now connect your smartphone via Bluetooth to the sound system of your car. You can even switch to the next song directly on the product or adjust the volume by pressing the button longer. To boost the bass, just select the bass mode. Now nothing stands in the way of a full sound enjoyment. Thanks to the integrated microphone of the Bluetooth receiver, you can make now hands-free calls in your car. The Bluetooth receiver enables control via Google Assistant, so you can easily select via voice control the next song. The packaging is based on the mobile entertainment range and fits therefore harmoniously in the shelf. It gives the important information as the key use, the product color and the key features. So the packaging helps the consumer in his product search and decision. Let your customer share this feeling of freedom. Sound on and let's go!